So I'm here with my model today, Joan, and we're going to be doing a fantastic transformation, and I think you're going to be super impressed with how shiny and how amazing this colour looks. I've done my colour consultation with Joan, and we're going to go for our target shade of 50. So we're just going to section up into a hot cross bun section pattern, ready for application. Because we have resistant hair, we're adding 3/4 of 50 and 1/4 of 50X. So what you'll notice is I'm simply applying the emulsion-based Infinity colour directly onto the hair. And it's very easy as it adheres to the hair superbly. We've allowed our roots to process for 30 minutes. We're refreshing through the mid-lengths and ends with our 50 and converter for the last 15 minutes. So this is our final result, and I think you'll agree what an amazing colour this is. And this is due to the GPS technology that is giving us this fantastic coverage. It also contains argan oil and shea butter, which has given us this incredible shine and condition. It's the best colour on the market.